Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's see how long it takes to harvest a 2x4 out of the wild and set it on fire with a ferro rod. This building got knocked over by Helene when she came through, and my son-in-law is dragging his feet about disposing of it, so I'll get a start on it. You know what I got to say? Enough. Bayite keyring ferro rod, 3-pack on Amazon, $12 to $15. More companion stainless steel, heavy duty. Form your feathers into a sort of a horseshoe. Alright, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you on the next one.